My dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to revise and refresh Part A questions and answers on Human Resource Management, HRM. First question, what is HRM? What is Human Resource Management? Simple meaning, it means management of human resource. Another meaning, management of people in a company or management of employees in the organization. Another meaning for the term HRM. HRM is a management function. It is concerned with recruitment, motivating and maintaining workforce in the organization. And the last meaning, human resource management deals with employee related issues. What are the examples for employee related issues? Such as recruitment, training, development, compensation, motivation, communication and administration. So these issues are dealt with under human resource management. So human resource management simply means managing employees, managing people of the business. Next question. What are the functions of HRM or what are the functions of human resource management? The first function, job design and job analysis. Second function, recruitment and selection. Third one, training and development. Fourth one, compensation. Fifth one, motivation. Next one, labor relation or employee relation. And the last one, management relation. So these are the various functions come under human resource management. Next question. What is human resource policy? Human resource policy is defined as guidelines, norms, code or regulation developed by the management. For what purpose? To guide the workforce or to guide the human resource and by getting acceptance from the employees. For what purpose? There are two important purposes for that. To increase efficiency and to perform the employees of the business effectively. For these two purposes, policy is framed. These policies are communicated by two ways. Either by statement policy called policy statement, or it may be instruction called policy directive. So policy is nothing but guidelines, code or regulation to regulate and guide the workforce in the business. Next question. What is human resource audit? Human resource audit is nothing but verifying the current practice, procedure, policy of HR system. What is the purpose of verifying the policy or practice? There are two purposes. The first purpose is to identify the need for improvement. And the second purpose to enhance HR function or human relation function. For these two purposes, audit is conducted. So it is nothing but verification of the current practice. Last question. What is recruitment? Recruitment is a process of overall activity relating to attracting, shortlisting and appointing suitable candidates for jobs. So the first step, attracting. The second step, shortlisting the applicant. And the third step, appointing. So these three steps are involved in recruitment. Recruitment also means hiring employees, retaining employees. So recruitment is nothing but attracting potential employees and motivating them to apply for jobs. This is called recruitment. See you in the next video with other important university questions. Till then, goodbye.